At Secured Controls, we bring trusted security solutions to Denver, Colorado, tailored to protect your home or business. Manage access with ease using our access control systems designed to keep your property secure and streamlined. Enhance your safety with our advanced security camera systems, offering 24/7 monitoring and crystal clear footage. Our intruder alarm systems provide immediate detection and response, ensuring peace of mind against potential threats. Need clear communication across your property? Our reliable intercom systems make it easy to stay connected. With professional installations and customized solutions, Secured Controls is your local expert in advanced security technology. We're here to safeguard what matters most. Visit us at securedcontrols.com or call today to learn how we can transform your security with the latest technology and exceptional service. Secured Controls, where safety meets innovation.